Count your blessings, life is full of blessings. Thank God for His mercy. We pray.
So guys, these are the ingredients to make your chicken soya in a pan, okay? So here I have chicken breast, skinless chicken breast to cut back on the calories, so remove the skin. Good quality chicken. I'm going to put the measurements in the description box. So this is about 400 grams or 1 pound of chicken, and this should make about 2 servings. And then here I have some bell peppers, a colorful mix. You can use whatever you have. And then some onions chopped up to about the same size. That's how I like it. And then I'm going to season the soya with some salt and black pepper. You can use white pepper, and also the soya spice mix. I am going to drop a link to how you can make your own soya spice mix at home in the description box. And then also some oil. Here's olive oil, but use whatever good quality oil you have. And then we're going to need a skillet to cook our soya in, and something to stir with. All right, so that is what you need, and we are going to get cooking now.